Now here's how you can turn off map suggestions on the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and become part of the community so you don't miss videos like this one. Anyways, when you open up the settings of your iPhone and go to the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri, you're going to see some ways to tweak that and tweak the way you use the Siri Apple Assistant. But below, you have a section for suggestions. So it depends on which type of map suggestions you mean. But in here, you can, for example, disable the suggesting of apps in general. So you can completely remove that, or, show when sharing. So you can disable the sharing suggestions. Right, another thing which you might want to check out in here, but at the bottom entirely, we have a place or a menu for all of the apps. In there, when you get inside, you'll be able to scroll through the alphabetical list of all of your installed apps, so you're going to be able to get to the maps from Apple as such. And in here, what you can do is basically stop these suggestions altogether in here. So you can stop these suggestions in an app, right? So you can turn off the show in an app suggestions, or you can stop it from appearing on the home screen, as well as suggest apps like a general toggle, I guess. So you can as well just disable it altogether. And it just means that nothing will be suggested to you in terms of the Apple Maps app, and nothing really will be shown in any places, basically. And at the top, you also have learn from this app. So it's kind of like going to learn your behavior and perhaps show you the maps at a specific times of the day. So I guess you can turn it off as well in here. So that would be all for me. I really hope that I could help and assist you with it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to catch you later in the next videos too.